celebrate of our nation, Constitution Day, a day that reminds us of the values we stand for, the rights we enjoy, and the duties we must uphold. On 26th of November 1949, our Constitution was adopted, and with it, India stepped into a new era, an era of democracy, equality, justice, and liberty. It was not just a legal document placed before the nation, it was the dream of freedom fighters, the vision of leaders, and the promise of a new India, crafted with precision, sacrifice, and deep understanding. The Constitution is often called the supreme law of the land, but it is much more than that. It is the guiding light that tells us who we are and what we aim to become. It protects every citizen regardless of caste, creed, gender, language, or religion. It ensures that every voice matters, that every individual has space to grow, and that every idea has the right to breathe. One of the most powerful pillars of our Constitution is the set of fundamental rights. These rights give us the freedom to speak, to express, to believe, to study, to work, and to live with dignity. They safeguard us from injustice and assure us that we are equal before the law and in the eyes of the nation. But a democracy remains strong only when its people not only enjoy rights but also shoulder responsibilities. That is why our Constitution gives us fundamental duties, reminders that we too play a role in shaping India. It is our duty to respect the national symbols, to protect our environment, to safeguard public property, to promote harmony, and to uphold the spirit of unity. Today is not just about remembering the past. It is about committing ourselves to the future. The future of India lies not only in government policies or economic progress, but in the character of its citizens. Every time we stand up for equality, every time we choose honesty, every time we help someone in need, we strengthen the promise embedded in our Constitution. On this Constitution Day, let us honor the vision of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and the Constitution Drafting Committee. Let us remember that the Constitution is alive, not in books, but in the conduct of every citizen. And now, to reaffirm our faith in the ideals of our Constitution, I respectfully invite our Principal Sir to lead us all in the pledge to the Indian Constitution. Thank you and Jai Hind.